I am attempting to move this movable fence. Kevin's out there this morning feeding the animals. We still have snow on the ground, but we've had this inside solar energized fence separating the whole goat fenced in area. I had Martha and Chance on this side. Martha was just too frail to endure the pecking order from the Nubian goats, so I just separated them. But Chance is pretty strong. We put him in with the Nubians day before yesterday, I think, and he already knows his place, and he's doing very well. But today we're taking up this fence because we've got some new animals coming to the homestead. A couple of animals. And we're going to put this fence somewhere on this property, and they're going to serve a purpose. And we're going to serve a purpose for them, providing a new home for them. They are rescues, but they are going to be very welcome here on the homestead. So stay tuned and you'll get to see the whole process. Hey Chance, buddy, how are you doing? Huh? Everything going okay? Yeah. Hey buddy, aren't you beautiful? Yes you are. Here's the girl. Hey Storm. Storm, what's wrong? Hey Dahlia. I'll get it, honey. Okay. Hang on, don't move.
We're gonna put it right here.
Huh?
I don't know how we're gonna put it in here. Unless we put it kind of over there somewhere.
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
So my heart feels like it's bumping over there.
Do you want me to carry some? You're dropping some. Huh?
Like the brown valley cave.
He said thank you. Thank you, Kevin. That'll be fine. That right there has been an all-day job. Literally an all-day job. Just hope the two of us can get this unloaded. Not sure if y'all can see those two backsides right there. We got two backsides, two big girls. So. You feel it? Alright, there the two girls are. They're staying in their crates for now. I'm sure it's been a long ride and they're tired and we're tired and we still gotta feed up the other animals. And there are the girls. Already getting busy on their jobs. I kind of think they might be looking for a way out. I hope not. Because we have got to keep them in. I don't have a tester on my fence. So I am hoping that nothing has it grounded out. Yeah, they're busy. Already busy. Okay, I've got them some food right here in their container. I'll come up here and get a little bit of grain. I need to get those crates out. But since they're so close to the fence, I hate to turn it off again. Maybe if they come up here and get to eating some grain. These two girls are rescue girls / gifts because I always consider a new animal on the homestead a gift. Oh, she touched it with her nose, so it must not be working. Oh, I saw it. I saw the little. Did y'all see that? Whew. Well, that's confirmation on the fence. Now, is it going to be enough to hold them? That is the key question. That is the key question. Can y'all see them? Well, I see the backside of one there. And we're gonna have to come up with some names for these girls. Yeah, they sure are cute. And as you can see, they have been well taken care of. They were not in a dire situation where they were in an unhealthy place. The lady that had these up for adoption, she and her husband were downsizing and moving and were not able to take these to their new home. So it took us all day on a Sunday to go pick these girls up, and it was late last night when we got in, and we had a little help loading them, but unloading, it was just Kevin and I. And we just had to dig deep and do what it took. Because these girls are not lightweights by any means. But we are going to love them. We're going to give them a safe place to live. And they're going to be well taken care of. So you guys pray for us that they will honor their area that they have to live in. Because it's a good sized area. I don't know if it shows up very well. I'm sorry about the sound effects, but I think we just got us an egg here. And these guys are right down beside the chicken coop. And at their former home, they lived most of their time when they weren't out foraging right beside a chicken coop. So they should feel right at home. Now the chickens, on the other hand, might take a little while getting used to them. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We're hoping for good things, because you guys know that we just had this area mulched, and there's lots of roots and stumps and all kind of things to trip over. So we're hoping to get all of this worked over with these girls. Holly's still just a little baby, but this is what Holly will grow up to be. A Juliana. Just like these girls. Of course, you all know that we have Harold, and he is a potbelly mix. So, I mean, we do have potential to have some offspring, because these girls are only 1.5 years old. And as far as I know, they have never had little babies. Oh, look at that face. Isn't it cute? Y'all know I just love animals so much. But even with that love, they all were put on this earth for a purpose, just like us. And every animal has a different purpose. But right now, they're providing us lots of cuteness overload. Now that they're in their place. Uh-oh. Come on, girl. So, any helpful ideas that you guys can give us, please put them in the comment section below. And as always, please remember to like the videos, hit that bell for notifications, because we're going to have lots of new videos coming up. And see those tails wagging? They are happy this morning. They are happy. And guys, please subscribe to our channel, because I don't know that we have any plans to get any more animals. We don't. You know, sometimes God says, oh, I know a perfect place for this animal. Let me get it orchestrated and make it happen. And if that's the case, you know, we're willing if we have the means. But for right now, I think we're at our limit as far as what we can afford to feed. And hopefully this channel will grow, and if it's within God's plan for us to be able to monetize it and get a little bit of money from you guys watching the videos in the future, then so be it. And that will definitely help our little homestead. Oh, they are just so cute. And they're happy. Happy girls. So I'm going to do some research for names, and like I said, if you guys will put some comments as to name suggestions, and they are sisters. So, and of course we've got Holly. Who will grow up and eventually join these girls. Okay, and I'm going to leave you with this last little part of the video. Maybe not this part. How about this part? And guys, we're just going to let this be the end of the video, and I'm going to wish you all a great day. May God bless you all.